Today I'm so excited to share with you a few treasures that I discovered at an estate sale. I'm going to start off by these pieces that I found at Dollar Tree and Walmart, starting with that rope and then this glue that I had used years ago and forgotten about, but I'm going to try it again and I will share back to let you know how good it is. I also went ahead and picked up this resin casting from Dollar Tree since I was able to get the resin, and I'm really excited. I have a really cute idea that I'm going to try out and hopefully it works out so I can make a video for you guys. Make sure that you stay tuned for the estate sale haul where I'm going to be sharing some beautiful finds, some old photographs, card catalog drawers, and vintage tin boxes. These forgotten treasures are full of history and I can't wait to start using them. I have a little secret to share with you today. I absolutely love estate and garage sales, but I rarely go to them. I think I've only been to maybe 3 estate sales my whole life, and that's because I'm a little scared and intimidated when I go inside and there's a lot of people. On this estate sale, my husband actually went with me, but I told him to stay in the car while he was looking for parking because the house was really small and it was packed full of people. But when I found the photographs, I was really scared to put them down because I thought someone might try to borrow them or take them, and that is exactly what happened. So I have to give a big thank you to him for guarding these beautiful treasures. I picked up these old card catalog drawers and they are so sweet, aren't they? This one is missing the back, but I couldn't resist but getting it. I absolutely love pieces like this. I think that holding on to this is like getting a piece of a forgotten story. I can actually just imagine the quiet library where they once lived and each drawer that guarded the secrets waiting to be discovered. I think these drawers will be perfect for tucking away little treasures or mementos, maybe even supplies for my next journaling project. If there's one thing that I'm a sucker for, it's anything handwritten. I just love being able to hold on to these pieces, and I can't help but think about the person who wrote these and about their lives, what they had seen, what they had done, and it's just a little piece of history that I love to hold on to. And I bet that they never would have thought that years later somebody would be making a YouTube video showing them. I am extremely blessed with this haul. There are so many beautiful photos, and I'm going to cherish each and every one of them. Look at this snow-covered landscape. It is so beautiful. I can almost picture myself living there and what I could smell and hear, and I just love that. You know how they say that they just don't build things the way they used to? That photo is definitely an example of that. That beautiful frame that surrounded the lovely picture, you cannot find anything like that. There's something so touching about finding old photographs. It feels like holding time in your hands, someone's memories, their smiles, their moments. And I like to think of these photographs as whispers from the past, reminding us about the beauty in the ordinary days. This is the second card catalog, and this one was completely intact and even had a little bit of glitter sprinkled in through the inside of the box. I think that this well-worn box reminds me of the days where time maybe moved a little bit slower. You can almost hear the quiet shuffling of cards. This old photograph is such a treasure. Look at how beautiful it is. It even has a piece of paper. I don't know what it's called. If you do, leave it down in the comments, but it's almost like a parchment paper that is protecting the integrity of the photo. And look at this fabulous lady. She looks like a movie star, doesn't she? And I absolutely adore this little advertisement. I don't know if this was a column, so to speak. It said items suggested to Aunt Ellen, but I absolutely adore this. The person that curated all these photos and kept them in pristine condition. They are so beautiful and really well loved. I wanted to take a minute and tell you that you are deeply treasured. You are a work of art, and you are filled with God's love. I also wanted to announce that I will be doing a new Bible study in November. I'm so excited. It's going to be a 30-day plan, renewing our minds based on Romans 12:2. Do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewal of your mind, that by testing you may discern what is the will of God, what is good and acceptable and perfect. Each face feels like a mystery, a story waiting to unfold, and I can't wait to start creating with these. There's something so precious about these moments that are captured in time. The way they smiled, the clothes they wore, and the softness in their expressions. It's almost like they've been waiting for someone to find them again and to honor their memory. They're memories of the past, gently reminding us that there's beauty in the moments that we cherish and that we save. That's one of my favorite things about junk journaling, is that through our creations, we're preserving history, and it's living through the pages, through our artwork. And we have the honor to give something a voice that was once silenced, forgotten, and disregarded. These little coin envelopes, I think, used to hold the contents of a maybe fizzy drink and like a powder form that you would put in water, I guess. Does anybody know anything about these? I'm so interested in this, and I haven't had a chance to Google it yet, but that is so amazing to be able to carry around something like that in your pocket. And I know when they came out with the little packets of like Crystal Light and stuff, that I thought that was so genius, but they've had it way longer than that. And here's some more hidden writing on the back of this beautiful photo, giving me delicate fragments of someone's history and turning their silent images into a vibrant part of my world. These old photos feel like whispers from the past, inviting me to sit with them, listen, and create. They might not have names anymore, but in my journal, they'll have new stories. Stories of love, dreams, and hope. I hope that you enjoyed this little haul, and I'd love to hear if you like more of these hauls. And until next time, love you. Bye. And a big hug and kiss to my Patreons. I love you guys.